Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about the different themes that are available on Shopify. Now obviously Shopify is a global commerce platform and you need to understand the dynamics of Shopify before you can understand the actual credibility and the utility that Shopify tends to provide, because this is a place where you can build your business and you can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. And obviously with the utility that's available and the reason why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify can clearly be seen in the quality that Shopify tends to provide. With millions of merchants worldwide, it gives us an opportunity to check out and actually understand and do our research in developing the strategy that they've been using to scale their business and becoming financially independent in their businesses. And the availability in 170 countries gives us an opportunity to actually sell in multiple places from the same place. So if you are sitting in your living room on the sofa, you can be actually selling to someone who's in Australia, someone who's in Canada, someone who's in the UK, or even in Russia, Japan, or China for that matter. And you can do all of that from the comfort of your home. But you need to understand how you need to cater for those individuals, the products that you need to put on your store to sell to those individuals, and break away from the limitations that are provided by certain products, location, age, and gender. And that is the reason why we are making all these amazing videos for you guys, which are available on our channel. So you can always head over there and check them out. And the best thing is the fact that with Shopify, you get a grabs of $444 billion of global economic activity. Imagine if you can contribute or get 0.0001% of that, that is going to set you up for life, because this is the opportunity of a lifetime for you guys. And this is a chance for you to grab and become financially independent so you can break away from the 9-to-5 and get the financial freedom that you have always been dreaming about. And that is the reason why I always mention to individuals that you can build your store the way you want and bring your vision to life with a simple drag and drop store creator. You don't need to have any coding expertise, and that's one of the things people tend to ask me, that how are we supposed to create all these amazing landing pages? You can do that by using the templates that are available already on Shopify, which I'm going to show you in a second. And the ones that are created by the individuals are the expert people that have an understanding of aesthetic sense, have an understanding of the back end and the front end development. And once they combine all those elements together, they position themselves to provide something that is truly unique and give you a competitive advantage in the industry. A lot of people don't understand and don't know that Shopify provides such utility that you don't need to do anything yourself. You can avail the amazing apps and you can add more features and functionalities to your online stores, because these are built by individuals that understand the different elements that are available in the market. And once they combine everything together, they can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools, the social integrations, and the sales channels that are required to put the products in front of customers. And the thing that I always mention to individuals is the fact that when you use such a highly utility based website, a tool that can truly give you everything that you need, you can easily integrate the elements that they provide, such as a shop pay, the one-click checkout that is built to convert, and a point of sale system that allows customers to shop their way from online to the checkout line. And you can even find new features and new leads by new shoppers with the SEOs, the social media, the content marketing tools that help you reach customers where they are. We live in a global world, guys, right now, and that is one of the most crucial elements that we need to understand and accept, that right now the world, and the shopping world for that matter, has changed. People are now more than ever shopping online, and if we can provide an experience to them online shopping, that will definitely bring them over and over again to our shops to buy the products that they love from our stores, so we can scale our business and become business tycoons online. You could become the next Walmart of the online shopping world. You can become the Elon Musk of the new shopping world, and you can engage with customers, and you can build custom email campaigns and set automation to serve every segment, because at the end of the day, guys, the crucial element is understanding your customer, meaning being able to take the psychological aspect of the customer. If you can harness that, if you can understand that, if you can bring that into your element of strategy and methodology, then you can scale your business and grow it to levels that have never been known before. One of the common denominators and one of the main elements that a lot of people and successful successful dropshippers tend to think about is the fact that once you understand the psychology of the buyer, of the customers, you can convert that customer into a loyal customers, and that comes from the data that you can collect. And Shopify is that platform that can give you all the information that you require. Back in the day, people used to mine for coal, they used to mine for gold, they used to mine for oil. Right now, people are mining for data. The more data that you can gather, the more information that you can get, the better you can create effective strategies, scalable strategies, implementing those strategies and basing your business upon those strategies and the methodologies that are required to execute those strategies. And that is the reason why we make all these videos for you guys, which are available on our channels to give you guys an opportunity to understand, to use, to implement and execute so you can scale your business and become financially independent. And with the combination of all those elements together, Shopify is here to provide you the support, the guidance, and the assistance to help you streamline your back office from overseeing your operations and fulfilling your orders and managing the money where you make it. Now, if you don't have a Shopify account, guys, don't worry at all. You can always click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. If you don't want to do that, you can always click on start the free trial and check it out. Once you sign in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left hand side, you're going to have your home, you're going to have your orders with the drafts and the abandoned checkouts. Now, I believe that Shopify has done a wonderful job when it comes to understanding the mental capacity of the buyers, because sometimes buyers come and they don't buy it and they leave, but you always have that information upon them. You have different products such as inventories, transfer, collection, and gift cards. And the best thing is that if you have multiple accounts on Amazon, on eBay, on Etsy, on CJ Dropshipping, on AliExpress, you can gather all your customers on all those platforms and bring them to Shopify and unify it in one place, because you can ensure to sell on every platform. One of the strategies that I always recommend young entrepreneurs to go for and dropshippers that are just starting off to create multiple stores on multiple platforms. Don't ever put your eggs in one basket, guys. Distribute their eggs upon different platforms. So if one platform is not doing well, the other one is. That's having multiple shops in different locations. One location might do well, the other location might not do well, but you will always balance out at the end of the day. And that is why it is crucial for us to understand the products that we're selling, where we're selling them, and what platform that we're using. And if you head over to our channel, you'll be able to see all the different platforms that we have looked over and gone in great detail to give you a complete breakdown and a strategy that you can implement and execute at the same time. And if you look at the analytics, you can get the reports and live views and always stay up to date with the information that is required, that you always will know what needs to be done and how it needs to be done. With the marketing that's available, you can create amazing campaigns and automations and even offer discounts. Now, if you click on the online stores, there is an option of themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. Now, themes are very important, guys, because theme is literally the basic element that you need to understand, because this is the landing page people will come to. If you click on visit the theme store, you'll head over to the main theme store. Now, they have 11 free themes that are available that you don't need to pay for, and they have 105 paid themes. I always recommend individuals to go for the free themes initially, then gradually as your business grows, you can always go for the paid themes. Now, with paid themes, you get so many elements, and the one I want to recommend to you guys is called Stripe. Now, if you look at Stripe, this is a very unique element that's available over here, something that really stands out, and all we need to do is find this particular platform and this particular theme. Now, if you click on next, you'll be able to go to the second page. On this page, we'll be able to see the different themes that are available and obviously find the theme that we want to. Now, Prestige is a very unique theme, guys, because Prestige gives you something no other element, no other theme can give you, and that is the reason why it's very difficult to find. And obviously, there's different methodologies that you can use. You can search online. So if you put Prestige over here, we'll be able to find the theme that we're looking for. Now, as you can see, this is the Prestige theme. This is for $320. And the unique thing about Prestige is the fact that this is designed for premium high-end brand appeal. And the beauty of it is the fact that it shines like a diamond. It's got hotspot products, and it is a media focused product page. The features, as you can clearly see, is absolutely brilliant. If you want to preview this particular theme, you can do that in the demo store. Now, as you see the demo stores, the thing that's going to stand out is the fact that this is designed in a very professional way that gives it a very prestige look, thus the name Prestige. Now, this is is a product, this is a element that you need to understand, because this adds value to your website, it adds value to your product, and all you need to do is download it, implement it, and just replace and customize and personalize it, and you're good to go, guys. It is as simple, straightforward, easy as that. Now, if you got any questions whatsoever, you can always ask us in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, so more people can find out about how easy and simple it is to find themes and use the Prestige team to grow your business. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.